Soybeans and wheat seeing another day of weakness on Tuesday, but cattle also struggled. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more on the down day in markets right now.
It was a mostly lower day in grain and livestock futures trade on Tuesday. Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures is joining us. And Kent, let's talk about the grain complex. Soybeans had a pretty horrible day, soybean oil as well, but some of that was due to some heavy deliveries, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had over 2,000 contracts of soybean oil delivered on Tuesday morning, and that was a surprise to the marketplace because in previous cycles here, we have not had as many soybean oil deliveries with the onset of renewable diesel. And so this sort of harkens back into a previous era when we used to have a lot of heavy deliveries, and it certainly was construed as bearish for the soybean oil market on Tuesday.
Yeah. You also felt like maybe there was a little end of month profit taking, but we also had planting progress out. And how much of a role did that play?
Well, soybean planting progress 10 percentage points ahead of the 5-year average in beans, and 5 percentage points ahead of the 5-year average in corn. And, we know in the Western Corn Belt last week that the farmers, really got after it because they saw the forecast, really wanted to try to get some stuff planted ahead of it. And we know they were active. And I think that, I think those were accurate numbers, although I don't think they're going to advance much this week.
It was a tough day in the cattle market on Tuesday as well. So how much of that was end of the month profit taking versus more of these H5N1 headlines that we've been seeing?
Yeah, so, two things. Of course, there were some new discoveries in a dairy in Colorado. That starts to get uncomfortably close to an awful lot of feedlots. And then, we hear from the USDA going to be testing for the virus in ground beef. And that certainly is going to scare some consumers, and really not surprised with that kind of a combination that the cattle market didn't back and fill here after what had been some better weeks here the last 2 or 3 weeks.
All right, let's hope cooler heads prevail. Thanks for joining us. Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.